Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the fastest way to go viral on TikTok, something that no one talks about, and I want you to make sure you guys are aware of this strategy, okay? First thing, let's launch the TikTok app. Now guys, I don't want you to lose your time with links, affiliate marketing, resharing all these posts in small clips. I want you to go on the upper left corner and click on the live button over here. When you click on the live button, you will see what people, millions of them, are doing every single day. They're not losing their time making TikTok videos or making posts or making ads or brand deals. What they're doing is simply live streaming for whatever purpose they have, okay? You can live stream your daily life as this person over here. Doesn't have to be a business. You can simply go live, answering questions, hang out with people. People are gonna tip you. Some of these people will become paid subscribers, meaning they are going to pay you on a monthly basis and you're gonna make a tons of money. What I'm even saying over here, guys, TikTok is taking a cut from the money you're making during the live stream, okay? So it is in the interest of TikTok to have a lot of people staying on the platform 24/7, a lot of people making content, a lot of people watching live streams, right? Because with the videos, you post one video a day, you get the attention of one person or 100 or 1,000 people for like 50 seconds a day, and that's it. But if you can actually go ahead and create a live stream sessions, engaged community, coming and showing up every single day at the same time, watching for hours, well, we have a major player. This is why TikTok is pushing all the live creators like crazy. Just look at these people. They have 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 likes and interactions. See this guy's working with the scrap and he's live streaming, right? And this is not a joke. I'm telling you, anyone from any job, any positions, any daily activities can live stream and make a lot of money and grow very fast. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.